welcome again. Today I am going to explain you that how to do revision in NEET PG 2020 exam. For NEET PG 2020 exam, now you have at least 6 months in your hands. So guys, please complete your systems like nephrology, cardiology, oncology, hematology, neurology, these systems. Each system minimum 20 to 30 MCQs in your exam. If you finish nephrology, then nephrology I like to put every videos like Chauvis-Strauss, glomerulonephritis, like papillary necrosis, hypertension, etc. All Alport syndrome, chronic renal failure, acute renal failure, pre-renal, post-renal failure, tubulointerstitial renal disease and nephrolithiasis, and all topics regarding nephrology. So if you finish nephrology, in nephrology, physio, patho, pharma, onco, radio, everything, surgery, you have to finish everything on the same time and make notes. Make an individual copy, which I am going to put on my channel. So make individual copy, make notes, and study very well and study hard. And try to revise every day. It's not necessary to read every day new things. Necessary is to revise previous material also. So study in such a manner there no need to be revised at the last period of time, last examination days. So if you study every day, that means no need revision. Revision of daily material you have to revise. If you study 7 days based CKD topic, then revise every day CKD and new topic. If you study pre-renal, post-renal failure, then revise every day that topic in front of copy. Just see and move on. In this manner, you have to study very hard and very well and complete endocrinology. When you are going to study nephrology, you are going to study SIADH in endo also. So your revision should be strong. And if you are going to study cardiology, then you have to study like renal artery stenosis, nephrology topic due to hypertension occurs. So these all topics are related with each other. So guys, please complete firstly all systems. So I start one series on my channel like nephrology, cardiology, oncology, hemato. So nowadays I like to put nephrology videos. So please finish all nephrology videos. Then I am going to start maybe cardiology or maybe hemato, any system. And when the last 2-3 months are left, I am going to put psychiatry, orthopedics, anesthesia, some small theory, and you are going to receive MCQs from that small theory. Obs gynae. These are so small subjects. When you finish all systems like endo, nephro, cardio, onco, and with all systems, it's my humble request to study NEET PG 2020 one-liners. It's 100, and NEET PG 2021 important one-liners. Now I put at least 30 parts. So go through that one-liners. As you know very well, June AIMS PG, you see one-liners MCQs. Only one-liners MCQs, the direct question and direct answer, you know. Like they ask pacemaker, where you put. So pacemaker is a metallic object where you are going to in BMW waste management, which packet, that is blue one. So you have to remember. And in COVID-19 MCQs, so about COVID-19 I like to put lot of videos, so please go through, solve all MCQs, and it's my request, so please follow my all lectures that will help you to crack the exam in a first attempt. And about revision, I already told, which you studied 7 days back, revise today, which you studied 1 month back, revise today, and study new topics also. But no need to be in hurry. You are studying new one and no revision. That means what happened? Zero. Total score is 0. So it's better to study and revise together. If you complete system like nephrology, revise. Take 5 days to revision. Or if you complete nephrology, it take only 1 day to revision, because it's very fast. Your speed should be increased. So guys, it's my point of view that how to revise. So revise every day, revision every day, finish first systems, then your topic should be strong and you are going to become a good doctor and you are able to solve a lot of MCQs. And it's not necessary to crack only NEET PG, lot of exams like JIPMER, AIMS, PGI, you can sit in any exam and you can crack in a single attempt. If your basic concepts are strong, your theory should be strong. So focus on all theory, small material, and please try to study with me. I'm going to put lot of videos like nephrology, cardiology, oncology. So please go through in my playlist and don't forget to practice 500 important topic MCQs in my playlist. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. If you like this video, put like on it. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you once again.